Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by shredding cabbage and finely dicing carrot and onion. This creates the texture KFC aims for. Use a sharp knife or shredder to get thin, uniform pieces so dressing adheres. Once done, toss cabbage, carrot, and onion in a chilled bowl to keep everything crisp. Make sure to measure. 6 cups cabbage yields the right balance. Refrigeration at this stage prevents wilting and keeps flavors bright while you move to making the creamy dressing. You now whisk the dressing to replicate that slightly sweet, tangy KFC profile. Combine 1/2 cup mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons buttermilk and 1 tablespoon white vinegar for tang. Add 2 tablespoons sugar to balance. Finish with 1/8 teaspoon each of celery seed and black pepper for subtle aromatics. Mix until completely smooth so it evenly coats vegetables. Once mixed, chill the dressing briefly. Cold dressing keeps cabbage. You finish by gently folding dressing into the shredded vegetables. Aim for even coverage, not a puddle. This keeps the texture right. Once combined, press the mix into a container and rest in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours so flavors meld and the cabbage softens slightly but stays crisp. Make sure to stir once before serving. If it becomes soggy, drain excess liquid, add some fresh shredded cabbage, and chill again. That restores crunch and balances moisture quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.